Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably staring at that frustrating error code P08 on your Canon printer and wondering what on earth it means. Don't worry, I'm going to break it all down for you step by step. This error is one of the most common issues Canon users face, especially in 2025 models, and it's often related to paper feeding problems. Let's dive in. First off, what does error code P08 actually mean? In simple terms, it typically indicates a paper jam or a problem with the paper feed mechanism. This could be your printer telling you that there's a blockage, a sensor issue, or even worn-out parts preventing it from pulling paper properly. It's like your printer saying, "Hey, I can't do my job right now." Now, let's talk about the causes. The most common one is a paper jam. Maybe a sheet got stuck inside, or there's debris blocking the path. Other culprits include dirty sensors that detect paper movement, low quality or incompatible paper that's causing feeding issues, or even mechanical wear and tear from long-term use. Environmental factors, like humidity, can also play a role by making paper stick or curl unexpectedly. Alright, time for the good part. Solutions. Start by turning off your printer and unplugging it for a minute to reset it. This simple step fixes things about 50% of the time. Next, open the paper tray and carefully check for any jammed paper. Gently remove it without forcing anything, as that could cause more damage. Use a soft cloth to clean the rollers and sensors inside. Dust and ink buildup are sneaky enemies. If that doesn't work, try using high-quality paper and ensure it's loaded correctly, not too much or too little. If you're still seeing the error, it might be a hardware issue. In that case, check your printer's manual for model-specific advice or run a diagnostic test through the settings menu. For 2025 models, Canon has updated firmware that might resolve this. Download it from their website. And remember, if nothing works, it's time to contact Canon support or a professional technician. There you have it. Error code P08 demystified. By following these steps, you should get your printer back up and running quickly. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.